Good morning, traders. Yeah, welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. So, I'll be continuing from where we left off in our last episode, which was yesterday's one, and we see what our favorite pair is doing, and kind of like see what we can still capitalize on and take advantage of. So now, here we are on EURUSD, and from our last analysis, we did analyze this particular level to be the level we are expecting market to kind of react from. And as we can see, it did give us the reaction we are expecting. And from what we have here, we just try and see what we can capitalize on and the opportunity that the market is presenting to us. So we can see that our trade is going as expected. And that way, what we're going to do is to kind of like erase all the annotation and try to still see if our analysis is still going to be the same. So, okay, this is what we have in the markets. And from our structure, from structure standpoint, here is our strong low. It's actually here, but money has been transferred from this particular low to this low, so automatically here becomes a strong low. That's the low we are expecting market to protect, and as you can see, market is flying away from. So our next expectation is to take what is it called? To have a weak high. But from what we are seeing here, following the right side of the market, what we are still seeing here is market still kind of like what we are expecting is a shift for retracement of rebalancing all these imbalances and liquidity void that we have within this price leg. So if that's our expectation next, then we are expecting this particular leg to create a weak high, which will be our liquidity expectation to be taken the long run outside liquidity, external liquidity. But as it is now, we can't begin to look for sell. And personally, our expectation is just to continue to buy because the little load that we have here is yet to be taken. And even though it was taken, it was only the liquidity below it that was swapped. It wasn't closed below it. So we believe that the price still kind of trying to find its way up. But this is what is it called? This is 4 hour. So for us to have some basic kind of expectation, what we are expecting from this level here, to know what to expect, as we didn't have a clearer something here, then we can be anticipating, after an impulsive movement, we are expecting some retracement. So, but before we can begin to anticipate all those retracements, we've got to see some reversal pattern, either the liquidity being taken above or below, or we have a market structure shift, in which case we are yet to have any one here. But what we have here is today is Friday, so the best strategy for us to use today is to use open high, low close to kind of see. We've gotten from Monday, market has been giving us some great impulsive move, and as you can see, it's very, very smooth and nice move in the market. So since we have this particular level, the best way for us to just address this thing is to use open high low close strategy to see what we can be expecting from the market. And this is weekly. You can see all this level has been transcended. And if we have this particular level here, particular leg being taken, then definitely we know that the price will continue to do what? To rise higher and higher. So now, from what we have here, if we are to use open, high, low, close, we will understand the fact that, okay, this is our open for the week and this is the low. This is the high. Then we'll be expecting, today is Friday, we'll be expecting the candle to close. Either give us some new movements above today or, give us some kind of retracement and just consolidate for the day for us to have the close that we are expecting. So let's do that on weekly and try to see this is our weekly low. So this is our weekly low, not a previous one, but we can just choose it that way. And this is our weekly high. So just before it is just, and that's our open. That's our weekly open. So we are expecting it to close. So we're expecting, but with the kind of impulsive movement that we have during the week, we might have this thing to go back up and take this eye out of the market, and at the same time, create its own close. But we don't know yet, except so what will happen is for us to wait on the market and see what it's going to try to do. So, and as we have it, we are still in this buy. These are buy, and it's aligned perfectly with our expectation. Let's move to 1 hour and try to see what we can capitalize on. This is the leg that we have here, and this is that block that we are trading from. That is where we are trading from. But for us to not miss out, that level was our level. And if markets didn't close, if what is going to make me to change my expectation of the market from the market is either this low is being closed below, or power has been transferred from this low to this low now. So we're expecting if we're going to have any reversal, then we're expecting if this low is being closed below, then I can be anticipating some kind of reversal in the market. So yeah, we have a minor strong low. But nonetheless, it's the strong low here, but it has been transferred to this place. So it's going to be a minor strong low. So we'll be expecting this particular leg to hold. But from what we have here, we can be anticipating that, okay, that lead to something can come back to kind of give us some new buys into the markets. And we have this level within this place. But as we can see, this perfectly aligned with with the Asian range, the 50% of the Asian range. So if you still want to join the buy, or you should know that any moment from now we are anticipating reversal in the markets. So if we are expecting reversal in the markets, you should know that okay. The reversal we are expecting can happen at any time. So if at all if you're going to be joining this trade that we have here, then automatically you're going to join in. You can try and join the trade from this particular leg here, and you can just pick your trade to be 1 to 5. So it's not as the range is not as big as the one we took yesterday. So it's 28.5 times 3 of that. That's 90 minus 4.5. That's 85.5. It's it's 8550. So that will give us a perfect 1, 2, 3. Okay. 50. 2.9855. That's perfect 1, 2, 3. So which still perfect. So this can actually be a trade today on Friday. Nonetheless, we'll be anticipating that the price is preparing to close. Today is Friday. So the market is preparing to close. So, but don't forget, we are anticipating some kind of retracement into this place, except next coming week want to be an impulsive move too. So we can be expecting a little retracement, not below this place, this particular block that we have here. Let's just target internal structure, then be expecting it to move higher in the market. Because I'm in this trade, I'm not going to take this trade, but I'll be expecting anybody that is not in this trade to jump on it. Yeah. So that will be our trade today. Every trade is the same. So you can say it won't materialize. And if it materialize, even the one that you want to bank on, still reverse on you. So whatever happens, happens. Every trade is the same. So that's that for that today. We have a profitable trade. Thank you.